Listen to a short story, Scarlet Skies, by Oxford Reading University. Level A2, Part 1.
It was a warm summer afternoon in the small town of Willow Creek. The sun shone brightly over the fields, and the birds sang in the trees. Emily Carter stood on the porch of her family's big white house, looking at the road. Her long dark hair moved in the light wind. She was waiting for someone. Emily was the daughter of a rich farmer. Many young men in town wanted to marry her, but she only had eyes for James Thornton. James was strong and handsome, with dark eyes and a confident smile. But he was not rich. He worked hard on his father's small farm, dreaming of a better future. Many people said he was not good enough for Emily, but she didn't care. When James rode up to the house on his brown horse, Emily smiled. He jumped down and took off his hat. "Good afternoon, Miss Carter," he said playfully. Emily laughed. "You don't have to be so formal, James." James grinned. "Then let's go for a walk, Emily. I have something to tell you." They walked through the fields, the golden wheat dancing in the wind around them. James was quiet for a moment. Then he looked at Emily seriously. "I want to marry you," he said. "I love you, and I want to build a life with you." Emily's heart beat faster. She had waited so long to hear these words. But before she could answer, a voice called her name. "Emily!" It was Thomas Westwood, a rich young man from town. He stood by the fence, dressed in fine clothes, looking at them with a smirk. "Your father is looking for you," he said. Then he turned to James. "You should go home, Thornton. A man like you has no business here." Emily's face turned red with anger. "Thomas, you have no right to say that." Thomas laughed. "Oh, but I do. Your father and I have been talking. He thinks you should marry me." Emily's heart sank. "That's not true," she said. But she wasn't sure. James looked at Emily, his jaw tight. "Is that true? Would you marry him?" Emily shook her head. "No, I..." Before she could finish, her father's voice rang out from the house. "Emily, come inside, now!" She turned to James, panic in her eyes. "James, please wait for me." But James looked hurt. He stepped back and nodded. "I'll wait," he said. But his voice was cold. Emily ran back to the house, her heart full of fear. What was her father going to say? And would James really wait for her? Or was it already too late? To be continued. Part 2 is coming soon.
You like listening to English audiobooks? Check out Ewa app. There are thousands of English books you can read, listen, and learn new words from. In Ewa, you will find the original bestsellers with built-in dictionaries, famous books adapted to your English level, interactive books with tasks, and much more. Go to appewa.com. Send this video to a friend who likes listening to stories. And now, here's another English audiobook.